Alright, I am recording mid-battle here. We are 2 games away from Master 3, seeing if we can't get to that blue potion. Things are going pretty good for me so far, although he is playing the Evo Furnace. Not the biggest fan of the Evo Furnace, but he's a little squishy, so I think he just straight up dies to log and fireball. Basically just fireball, to be honest. Which is pretty good for me. He's not playing the best, but to be honest, his deck can't do all that much to my deck. Which is pretty good for me. He is playing Poison, which isn't great. He's also playing Vines. I feel as though he has a secret win card or something, but I really couldn't tell you. Really could not tell you. He's playing pretty poorly here. I feel like he has to have a secret win card. It's just going to win him the game or something like Graveyard or Balloon. He's playing a lot of spells. He's got Bar Barrel as well as Poison. And he's got, okay, well, I called it, I guess. Okay, yeah, he's playing Vines. It's fine. Vines, Graveyard, Poison, Bar Barrel. Yeah, it does look like Graveyard a lot now. See if we can't sneak in some damage. Okay. He does have Vines, which is fine. He's not playing the best, and I think that's just game for him. Good game, my friend. Well, we pulled through. You guys only saw the second half, but well, the second half was all that mattered, I guess. If we win this game, we should be in Master 3. Should be pretty awesome for me. Okay, we're experiencing some major lag. Pretty unfortunate. We had to waste a log, but that's fine. I do have a cannon up, so I'm sitting pretty for the most part. Let's see if I can catch this firecracker. No. So I guess I'm just doing this. Not really sure what this is, but almost catch the spirit, which would have been really nice for me. I think he's playing Skeleton Barrel Cycle. Is he playing Bar Barrel? I can't even tell. I don't remember. Okay, we're sitting pretty here. I'm feeling much better about this game than that last game. Him having just some secret card was not my most favorite thing. Okay, he just quits. Good for me, I guess. Good for me. We're just gonna 3-star him, and we are into Master 3, I believe. We will double check. For any of you non-existent loyal fans, my jaw is doing better. I'm recovering nicely from my wisdom teeth removal. We are into Master 3. We're going to be pushing to Champion. We'll see what we can do. First game, pushing to Champion. Sir Sam, Midwest Mayhem. That's kind of fun. Midwest. I guess we'll see what Sir Sam can do. When I take this step, it's going to be the farthest from home I've ever been. Oh, Sam. Okay, that's pretty good for me, I'd say. Catches Royal Ghost. Doesn't even splash on the tower, very nice. The cannon, rather. We'll see what we can do. He's playing Royal Ghost, Witch. I'm just gonna see if I can snatch. Okay, never mind. Although we do get some damage, so the firecracker is dead. Pretty good for me. He's playing the Mother Witch here. Or not the Mother Witch, the other lady. The Evil Witch, that's her name. I'm not really sure how she works. I think she I'm just gonna carry this Valkyrie away. I think she heals when the skeletons die. I don't know. I think that's what she does. I really want to get some value off of the firecracker, so we're gonna see what we can do, I guess. Okay, getting value off the firecracker, sort of. Not really the way I wanted. I wanted damage, but okay, lightnings, I'm gonna take advantage of it. Okay, Royal Ghost comes down, I'm fine with it. See if we can sneak a bit more damage off. Okay. The Valkyrie makes my life more difficult than it has to be. Lightning comes down, it's also fine. Let's see what we can do. I would prefer not to have this handpin. We're looking fine here, okay. Royal Ghost is trying to ruin my life, that's what he's trying to do. Okay, Fireball comes down, sitting pretty here. He does have lightning, but that's more than okay. Catch the Royal Ghost, thank goodness. Trying not to give him any lightning value here. He takes any lightning value he can get, to be honest. Okay. He's really predictable with this. Possibly a misplay. Trying to cycle back to another log. Good game, my friend. Good game. Pretty easy overall. A bit chaotic, but I was able to pull through. Let's see if we can beat Team Pro here. We're going to be a little aggressive to him. Okay, we're experiencing a bit of lag again. It's fine. Who plays Clash Royale without it, right? That was a Facebook meme for you. Okay, let's see if I can't sneak another hog in while he's not looking. Well, he's not back to a Tesla yet, so I'm able to sneak 2 hits in. See if we can lure away the lumberjack and maybe survive this hog. Okay, he still gets a hit. Miracle hog. He's like a miracle baby. He's like a baby that was supposed to die, but it doesn't die. That's fine. I should have got the activation here. I'm okay with not, I guess. I don't really have a card to do it. I would have had to use firecracker or something. I don't want to do that. What is should have got the activation, it seems. Okay, we're taking no damage from the balloon except death damage. Okay, but he arrows anyway. He's not the best, but he is in Master 3, so apparently he's as good as me, or at least he's as good as me right now. We're just gonna play like a doofus. Try to get a little damage in. Can't forget he is playing Hog Rider. He's playing Hog Rider Lumberloon is what he's playing. Okay. This is extremely unfortunate for me, but he's only going to get a little bit of damage off, which is great. He is back to a Tesla, but it's fine. The Tesla targets the Ice Golem, which is good for me. He's playing arrows as well, which is also fine. He's got a lumberjack, so I'm just going to fireball it. Okay, he doesn't do anything, I said. Plays a balloon. What a weirdo. See if we can pull the lumberjack out of there. Oh boy. It's really not good for me. Wow, that is awful for me. Holy cow. Okay, he wins. Yeah, my balloon defense is just something of a legend. Legendarily